Hello students, our first chapter in GK is chapter 18 Paramveer Chakra stories. Okay, in this chapter we will learn about who got the Paramveer Chakra. Okay, living a very comfortable life, we often forget that this life doesn't come to us for free. There are some men in uniform giving their sweat and blood 24 hours 7 for us to live that way. So, in these, here are the stories of such brave men who not only saved the lives of many with their gallantry but also showed us the true meaning of bravery. Okay, so in this chapter, for their supreme acts of bravery, cold courage, and devotion to duty, they were also decorated with the Paramveer Chakra, the highest Indian gallantry award. Okay, the first one is Major Ramaswamy Parmeswaran. Major Ramaswamy Parmeswaran was an officer to the Indian Army who was awarded the Paramveer Chakra, India's highest military decoration for his bravery. In November 1987, he and his column were trapped by a group of militants. Showing great presence of mind, Major Parmeswaram encircled them from the rear. This was followed by a battle in which one of the militants shot him in the chest. Impervious of his injury, he snatched the rifle from the militant and shot him dead. Even though he was critically wounded, he continued to give orders till his last breath. Next is Captain Kumar Pandey. Captain Kumar Pandey was an officer of the Indian Army who was posthumously awarded India's highest military honor, the Paramveer Chakra, for his audacious courage and leadership during the Kargil War in 1999. Displaying great courage, he surged ahead of his troops and charged at the enemy with a full-throated battle cry through a hail of bullets. Critically bleeding, he collapsed at the final trench, but not before all the enemies were destroyed. His last words were, "Na chodna, don't leave them." Third one is Captain Vikram Batra. Captain Vikram Batra or PVC was an officer of the Indian Army awarded with the Paramveer Chakra, India's highest and the most prestigious award for valor for his actions during the 1999 Kargil War. He led one of the toughest operations in mountain warfare in Indian history. And the last one is Rifleman Sanjay Kumar. Rifleman Sanjay Kumar was posted with 13 Jammu and Kashmir rifles and led the squad of a team tasked to capture area flat top of .4875 in the Mushko Valley, held by Pakistan backed militants in 1999. He crawled alone up the ledge towards the enemy bunker through a storm of fire, not giving two hoots about his own safety. Even though he was bleeding profusely from bullet wounds, he picked up the enemy machine gun and crawled further towards the second enemy bunker and killed 3 enemy soldiers. He was awarded the Paramveer Chakra for his display of bravery. I hope you understood the video. Have a nice day. Bye. Take care.